to the studio.
Yeah, thank you, sir. My name is Abiola Ali. My stage name is Beat Fresh. I'm from Lagos, Ekpe Lagos State. I'm a Lagosian. I love music so much. I'm passionate about music. So, like I said, I can't actually say this is my particular genre because I can qualify myself as crossover artist. Let's say, okay, I do Afro pop, gospel hip hop. Music is spiritual, so if I can do Fuji version, Fuji fusion. So it depends the way I'm feeling at that moment, how the vibes I'm feeling at that moment that will determine the kind of journey I'm going to. So I can't particularly say I'm Fuji artist, I'm hip hop, Afro pop artist, or Afro Amapiano artist. So I can do different kind of genre. I look up to Adekunle Gold. I love his music. Actually, I love every good music. As far as the music is good and is inspired, so I love listening to good music. I listen to Adekunle Gold. I listen to Nice. I listen to Wizkid. I listen to Burna Boy. I listen to Olamide. As far as it's good music, I love to listen to good music. Actually, I sing with at times maybe what I'm going through in life, my life experience. Most of my song is my life experience. Maybe when it comes to aspect of love, what I've experienced from the past, maybe girls I've been dating, what I've experienced from them, I'll put it into my music, or maybe my family background, what they've done for me, I faced, my challenges in life. I'll put it into my music, or maybe what people have done for me. Maybe so I'll put it into my music. So most of my song I can say it's a motivational song to motivate people that are also going through what I've gone through. My latest project is gonna huge. Is like I said, life experience. But like his title is Olowo, like a rich person. So it means if you don't have money, you don't have level. Because at times there's a place I will be that I won't be able to relate to people because I see their level that they are using, this person is using Range Rover, this person is using Ferrari. So like I won't be able to relate to them because of their level, because at the high level. So I now think that okay, assuming me too this kind of level that I'm using, I have my own Range Rover, I have my own Ferrari, I'm using exotic cars. I can be able to relate with these people. So I went to different occasions that something like that happens to me that I'll just think that God when. So I want to put it into music now. Oluwo, like if you have money, you have level. And it's going to, like I said, it's gonna huge because the message inside that song is so powerful that if you listen to it, you like to work hard. You want to work hard. Like I must succeed in life. I must be successful in life because of the message is so inspired. Hey, challenges plenty. Number one, I say financial challenge, and then lack of family support. None of my family support my music. None of my family support my music. They don't even believe in me at all. They don't even believe that I can even do something tangible, something huge in life. They don't believe me. So, and financial support and time. Like I said that I love music and music is time. Once because that love that I have for music, I don't have that time. I have the time I want to give the music. Like I want to have like everything I have to do all my time to just based on the music, but I don't have that time based on one or two things. So I don't have time to for my music. So I think that is a challenge for me, and financial and family lack of family support. And at times I've gone to a show talent on before. Like let's say like it's a show. I went to a show like they call couples of artists, crowd. So like when it goes to my own turn, like people have been going, so when it goes to my own turn, I just like people have gone, just made few people and a lot of cheers. I said, should I be performing for cheers? I don't understand. I'm meant to perform to people, crowd, not cheers, like thousands of cheers. Cheers will listen to my sound. So after people have left, DJ have to put my song. I have to play my song after a lot of people have left. So that day I felt so bad, like what was going on? Like I was just looking at chairs. Am I performing for chairs? Even that ginger I don't even come because no crowd. It's chairs I'm just singing. So it's a big challenge for me that day. Like, each time I remember that day, I always feel bad mood. Yeah, Instagram, Facebook, all social media, be fresh at Be Fresh. First of all, thank you so much, all my fans all over the world. My advice for everyone is that no matter what you are going through, don't let it to weight you down. Don't feel discouraged. Yeah, challenges will surely come. You face different challenges, but don't let your challenges to weak you down. Just keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. As you keep on pushing, be praying to God. One day, the heaven will shine light on you. Your star will rise. The world will hear your voice. So become successful. Don't give up. Just keep on pushing and wait for God's time. God's time is the best. Trust me, you're surely successful.